I'm going to sort out my exhaust hanger, which is annoying. It's just perished. The rubber's just perished, so I'm going to use some cable ties, because everybody knows that cable ties are amazing and they're strong because they're made of nylon. So what I'm going to do is I am going to push that up to that and then stick the cable tie right there. To hold it in place. There's one, so to be sure that it's going to hold it nicely, I'll put the rest on my chest. And got another one. We'll go further in behind this one if we can. I thought I'd go for some wide ones rather than the skinny ones because they're less likely to snap. Yeah, that one slide in there just so a bit of purchase. Come on. Oh, that's tight there. Got this end. Yeah. Oh, you can't pull it, it's that tight between the... There we are. So we get that. Slide that one on this side. And then put that one in. Sit there. On there. Check any corrosion or anything. No, they're all good. Get that. So that seems to be on nice and tight now. So there, instead of being miles away, it's now up and tight because I need to get a new one of them, which is simple. It's just a bolt there and that bolt there. But this rubber is prone to go, and I've had a couple now. And the main reason why I don't know, nut or anything on that, because it meant to have something on there. Who knows, probably like cover to go over here or something. But yeah, it's because I haven't actually got another, I've only got one on this side, I don't have one on that side. So all the weight is being pulled down across, but now it won't rattle. Yay! So that's a nice little fix. And I'll just trim these off with a bit of a cutter.